Isuzu Philippines has just rolled out the Isuzu N-Series Smoother, its first light-duty truck installed with the automated manual transmission or AMT technology. The AMT works like a manual transmission with a computer system taking over the clutch system, which allows the N-Series Smoother to achieve the performance of a manual transmission without need of a third pedal. The Isuzu N-Series Smoother provides the combined advantages of an automatic transmission easy driving operation and a manual transmission's fuel efficiency, according to Isuzu. Isuzu Philippines President Hajime Kosa says the Smoother should be perfect for the needs of the local logistics sector in which trucks are maximized almost 24/7. Truckers deal not just with the increase in their operational expenses, particularly fuel and maintenance, but also the need for more professional drivers, which has become quite a problem. The Isuzu Smoother addresses all these challenges, as its automatic transmission makes it easier and less strenuous to drive. It is also economical as the AMT system automatically selects and shifts to the appropriate gear position for greater fuel efficiency. The Isuzu N-Series Smoother is powered by a 3.0-liter 4JJ1TCC engine, a 4-cylinder turbocharged and intercooled diesel engine, generating 124 PS and 354 Nm of torque. The engine is mated to an automated manual transmission.